Welding projects need to be free from costly accidents. CoolGel gives you the protection you need to finish your project safely and without costly added expenses. CoolGel protects painted surfaces and expensive valves from extreme temperatures. It also prevents warping on essential metals or thermoplastics you are welding. Spray the gel on the welding area to help protect the surface. CoolGel prevents heat transfer causing costly accidents. It saves you time and money. When you are making your weld, the gel begins to evaporate as the flame is applied. You can leave CoolGel to evaporate from the surfaces it is used on. It will evaporate in 24 to 48 hours, leaving no residue behind. You can make your next welding job safe and economical using Co CoolGel. For more information about CoolGel, visit our website at laco.com.